Loco Pilot. I am joining duty today.
Oh, you are Karthik Kumar. Welcome to Indian Railways. Here is your appointment letter.
Thanks, sir.
Shouldn't you be reporting for first day training? Who is your reporting officer?
Sir, I think it's someone called Satidar.
Oh well. Good luck out there.
Platform number 5. Passengers, your kind attention. Train number 1, 2, 6, 5, 5.
Are you Karthik Kumar?
Yes, sir.
You are late.
Sir, I went to collect my appointment.
I do not want any excuses.
Sorry, sir. It won't happen again.
Now get in quickly. We do not have holiday. What they taught you at the Loco Pilot Academy. But here, you do things my way.
6, 5.
Push the hotel ticket. Now keep going and reach a speed of 40. Shammo. Nicely done. Now gently slow down and reach a speed of 30. Clean work. Do you think you can handle more speed? Okay then. Quickly speed up to 60. Some more. Not bad at all, Karthik. I will take it from here. This is just the beginning, Mr. Kumar. There's a lot you need to grow. I have something for you.
What is it, sir?
Here is your uniform.
Thank you, sir.
And here is your walkie-talkie. Keep this safe and with you at all times.
Thank you, sir.
I will teach you how to use it properly. Do not be late at all.
Your kind
Oh look, it's Karthik Dhandapani.
Hey Rajiv, I don't why you keep calling me that when you know my name is Karthik Kumar.
You are Karthik Kumar to others. To me, you will always be a Dhandapani. Anyway, what are you doing here? I didn't expect to see you.
I have joined work here.
I didn't know they were hiring a gangman. I would have personally recommended your name if I knew.
Haha, very funny. You know we both studied to become loco pilots.
What? You? A loco pilot? Ha ha ha. This is too funny. I thought you would never graduate from the academy.
You haven't changed at all, have you?
See you around. Loco pilot.
passengers, your kind attention. Train number
I see that you arrived on time.
Yes, sir.
What was that man telling you?
Who Rajiv, sir? Nothing, we studied together. He was my senior at the academy, sir.
I trained him too. Hope you are better than him. I hope you remember what you learned yesterday. Always blow hot before Good. Now depart from station and attain the speed of 40. Now keep going and reach Arakkonam.
What was that, sir? Sir, did I do something wrong?
No, that wasn't you. Somebody pulled the alarm chain. Take out your walkie-talkie and do as I say.
Attention loco pilot. This is the guard.
Assistant Loco Pilot Karthik Kumar here. Looks like someone has pulled the chain. Check immediately.
Okay, I am going now. Who pulled the chain?
Who else pulled the chain, sir? Devanagalan.
What was their seat number?
Devanagalan without the guts, sir.
Okay, I will inform the loco pilot. Thanks. The chain was pulled in S4 coach. I am going to reset ACP now. Please wait. I have reset the ACP. Ready to leave now. Can you submit report to the RM?
I will.
You handled that very well. Now push throttle and continue. We have to submit report at next station. Did I not teach you to hum before leaving from station? Pay attention. Start slowing down. Bring the train to stop in the green zone.
Passenger Express is arriving. Platform
I am working on speed testing a new top secret logo. The trials are scheduled tomorrow.
That sounds really fascinating, sir.
It is. I want you to take part in it and assist me. I hear the minister will be coming for inauguration.
This is very exciting, sir.
So be here at 8 am sharp tomorrow. You will meet Miss Kavitha. She is also on the team.
Good night, sir.